Hello, hi guys, good morning. It is not a great day so far. So we did not end up making it to where we wanted to, but we ended up finding a campsite, which is good. And we got in, set up before it started raining. It rained like all night. And unfortunately, because of the lack of campsites, the spot that we chose was kind of like a bathtub. And we ended up waking up in the middle of the night. We went to bed early, so it was probably more like 11, but still. We woke up and there was like an inch or two of water. So we had to move while it was raining outside. So luckily we didn't have to go too far, but pretty much our sleeping bags are wet. A lot of stuff is wet, my backpack. Just, not starting out great. And we had high ambitions to get up early, but we ended up not. It's probably more like maybe a little before 9. So just a really late day, very chilly. And I'm kind of nervous because it was a little bit rainy yesterday and I did slip and fall. So I'm hoping that we don't have too many gnarly rock descents, because it definitely will be very slippery with this rain. And just morale low, chilly, rainy, wet, cold. And maybe I think we should be in Maine tomorrow, but man, I'm just at the point where I'm ready to be finished, and we're not finished yet. So it's all good. Gonna take it one step at a time, take my time today, and we'll just get where we get, and that's all you can do, really. So let's get into it. The shiny stuff is all mica, I believe. Yes, 10:40. No views, still pretty misty. Not really rainy, but most things are kind of wet, so you're getting the drip drop from the trees. And it's kind of slow going. Look what we got here. What is it? $30. Just in a cloud. Lunchtime, trying to dry out some stuff on this rock slab.
Rock slab.
Got the tent over there, new snake farm. Still is pretty. We did get a little bit of sunshine, should be nice the next couple days, but very slow going. I think we've done 6 miles and it's 12:30. I also have an official hole in this other pair of Darn Tough socks. I've already sent 2 back to be sent in, and these will be the 3rd pair, but luckily I have 2 other pairs, so hopefully they can make it to Maine and to Katahdin. It's dripping.
I had it upside down to try to soak some of it out, or drain some of it out, but it's pretty wet.
Yikes. 1:30. A bit of a break from the clouds. We're going up there to Moriah. Gonna pop up to Moriah. Here's a gray jay. Made it to the top of Moriah. It's been a long 8 miles. Last 4,000 footer in New Hampshire. I'm feeling very beat up.
Oh, Moriah. A nice view.
$5.20. Getting very close to the shelter now. Look at these wonderful swimming holes. I wish it was warm. We could jump in. Very nice though. Following the river. Got 2.5 to go until we get to Route 2. And I think we're gonna hitch in and get some food because it has been a rough day. Long, difficult miles, and my right leg once again is feeling extremely, just the muscle, the calf and the hamstring. I think that's, yeah, because the quad is in the front. Just really, really tight. So not great. Six o'clock, made it to the road. Gonna try to hitch in and get some snacks and then head back. Get ready for tomorrow. Back and with vengeance. 8:20, we're back on trail, camping. Ended up doing about 14 miles, so not great, but we're both feeling it. Hard couple miles for sure. Good night.